We'll guide you through how to fix YouTube sound not working or coming through a Bluetooth speaker. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can go and be annoying as you may want to go and have it playing louder than your phone speaker can go and have. So let's get some different fixes you can try. What we're going to do is come out of YouTube and open up our settings like so. What you want to do is go into connections, go and find the option for Bluetooth, and make sure that you're connected. You can see I am here. You can then go to the right and press the gear or cog icon and make sure audio is switched on. And for the device type, select speaker or headphones. Go and see if you've changed anything there, if that solves the problem. The next thing we want to do is on the main settings page is scroll down, find sounds and vibration, and scroll down here and find separate app sound. Make sure this is turned off if it's switched on. Go and see if that solves a problem if you changed it. And then what we can try doing is simply turning the speaker off. And then what we're going to try doing is turning it back on and reconnecting. And hopefully that'll go and solve the problem. If you found this useful, then leave a like.